Hello po everyone. So, I have here a problem which I haven't really solved. So, we're gonna solve it today. Na kunwari, hindi pa natin alam yung derived formula, I guess. So, let's have a solid metal sphere with radius 0.450 meters, which carries a net charge of 0.250 nanocoulomb. Find the magnitude of the electric field A at a point 0.100 meters outside the surface of the sphere, and B at a point inside the sphere 0.100 meters below the surface. So, okay, let's try to sketch first. Okay, so meron akong solid metal sphere. So, sabihin natin yung metal sphere ko is, yan, may solid metal sphere. And actually, if iniisip ko ang sphere ko, meron siya laging like yung charges niya is like outside. No, sabi kasi dito, with radius 0.450 meters. So, sabihin natin, radius ng sphere ko is R na maliit 0.450 meters. Okay. Which carries a net charge of 0.250 nanocoulomb. So, kung positive to, so possibly, so, dapat pala, yung aking sphere is positively charged. And kapag po solid metal sphere, actually yung charges niyan is more on the surface, at the surface of the sphere. So, sabihin natin nakaganyan siya. And then, we are going to find the magnitude of the electric field at a point 0.100 meters outside the surface of the sphere, and B at a point inside the sphere. Okay, so A muna tayo. Sabi, kuha daw ako ng point 0.100 meter outside. So, sabihin natin, dito, kuha ako ng point dito. Sabihin natin, this is 0.100 meters. Yan, yung layo niyan. Tapos, hanapin ko the electric field at that point. Okay, so ano daw yung electric field ko at this point? Okay, so pangalanan ko, meaning yung total ko ng layo is equal to, layo ko would be equal to, pangalanan ko siyang R na malaki, equal to 0.45 or 450 plus 0.100, so 0.550 meters. So, bakit ganun yung ginawa ko? Kasi, alam ko na kung ano yung electric field ko at this point, yun din electric field ko at this point. Okay, kung pareho sila ng layo. And from this point to our distance to this point, pareho pa din yung electric field ko. Okay? Kaya yung Gaussian surface na gagamitin ko is spherical Gaussian surface. So, once na nakakita ka na ng symmetry, pwede mo na siyang gawan ng Gaussian surface mo. So, electric field ko dito is also the same. Okay. Now, remember my electric flux. In getting the electric flux, I have EA cosine theta. So, hindi ko pa alam yung theta. Pero, ang alam ko lang, kapag kumuha ko ng part ng area ko dito, sa part na to, ayan, sabihin natin, yan yung area ko. My area is going this way. So, it's always parallel to my surface. So, area is going this way. At kung i-analyze kong mabuti, my electric field is going the same way. So, may electric field ako na parallel sa area ko. And now, if my electric field is parallel to the direction of my area, then my theta is equal to 0. So, cosine theta or cosine 0 would be equal to 1. So, lagay ko dito, EA cosine 0. So, cosine 0 is equal to 1. So, yung electric flux ko na lang, ang magkakaroon ako is EA na lang siya. Okay, there's another formula of electric flux, which is the net charge daw. The electric flux is equal to the net charge over epsilon naught, or the permittivity of free space. Ngayon, ang given ko kasi, if I write all the given, meron akong given na R equals 0.450 meters. Ito yung radius talaga ng metal sphere ko. Tapos, may net charge ako na 0.250 nanocoulomb. Tapos, meron naman akong malaking R na 0.45 450 meters plus 0.100 meters. So, it's 0.550 meters. So, ito namang R na malaki is yung radius ko from the center of my sphere to the uh, field point. Dun sa point na gusto kong mahanapan ng electric field ko. Okay, so 0.550 meters. Now, meron akong electric flux na ito electric flux ko, pwede ko silang i-equate together kasi equal naman sila. So, I have my EA equals, ito yun, galing dito. And my Q over epsilon naught. So, since ang kailangan ko electric flux, so i-isolate ko siya, ilagay ko si A dito by dividing both sides by A. So, Q over A times epsilon naught. Now, wala pa akong area. Tama. Pero, alam ko, if tanda ko pa ng geometry namin, ang area ng, or ang surface area ng isang sphere, okay, ng isang sphere, surface area of a sphere. So, this would be 4 pi r squared. So, lalagay ko dito si 4 pi r squared, Q over 4 pi r squared times epsilon naught. So, yung r ko talaga na gagamitin dito is not the small r. Kasi what I'm really looking for is yung electric field ko at this point. So, from R distance mula sa center ko. So, dapat malaking R yung gagamitin ko dito. Yan. Okay. So, pwede ko na siyang ilagay. Q ko is 0.250 times 10 raised to negative 9 column all over 4 pi times R na malaki is 0.550 meter squared. Epsilon naught is 8.85 times 10 raised to 12 column squared per Newton meter squared. Okay. So, kung magka-cancellation of units ako, maka-cancel ko yung isang column ko, then yung meters squared ko, kasi ito, magiging meter squared siya, matitira ko is Newton na malalagay sa taas per column. Okay, so tama po. May electric field. Okay, solve ko lang. Okay, 0.2. Okay. Okay po. So, my electric field would be 7.44 Newton per column. So, this would be my answer for letter A.